In front of me is the DUOQIN F22 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can edit password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by going into Settings and scrolling to hit Passwords and Accounts. Then hit this gear next to Google, scroll to access Google Password Manager, and tap on a password you wish to edit. Enter your screen lock, hit Edit button and change whatever you want to. When you're ready, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!